Jesus! What are you doing here? What the hell are you doing here, you dirty dog? How did you find my house? What do you want? Have you come here to insult me? What are you doing here?
I'm not here for any of that, okay? I didn't come to cause trouble.
Listen, trouble or not, I don't care. I want you to turn around, use the same energy, and get the hell out of here.
Can you just calm down and let's talk?
Look, there's nothing for us to talk about. Nothing at all. Just get lost.
Hey, calm down, okay?
Get lost! Get out of here! Get the hell out of here right now.
I came to talk to you.
I don't care! Get lost! I said get out of here! What are you doing here?
Isioma! Isioma! Who are you quarreling with?
Papa, it's okay. Please, let's go inside. Let's go inside, Papa.
Isioma!
Papa! Jesus! Papa! Stay away from me! Get off him! Papa!
What's wrong with him?
Papa!
Look,
Get away from us!
we need to get to the hospital, okay?
We don't need your help. Do you hear me? We don't need your help. Get lost!
Listen to me at all. He's in pain.
We don't need your help, okay? Get off him. Just get lost!
Isioma, can you stop being stubborn?
We don't need your help!
Look, Isioma.
Leave us alone.
Isioma, stop being silly.
Leave us alone.
Let's go to the hospital, okay? Isioma, stop this.
Leave us
We
alone.
need to get to the hospital.
Leave us alone.
Isioma, look, whatever happens between me and you is between me and you. Let's get to the hospital right now. Right away.
I'm sorry.
Hold this.
Sorry.
Come on, Grandpa.
Sorry.
I can't stand it. I can't stand it. Where's my stick? I can't stand it.
David! David!
Isioma, who is this?
David!
Thank you.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get out!
I'm sorry. Who was that?
Shut up. What is wrong with you, Kim? Are you stupid? No, there's something wrong with you. You walk into my house uninvited. Do you know how rude that is?
I know, babe. I'm so sorry. I was just right in the neighborhood and I thought of coming to say hi to you. I didn't mean to intrude. I'm sorry.
You're in the neighborhood and you thought to come see me.
Yes, I'm just around.
How is that my business if you're in the neighborhood or not? So you now have boyfriends in my neighborhood. You
No.
come to see them, you come to see me.
Never. I can't.
I don't care about that. Shut up. Look, if I was looking for a threesome, I'd have told you ahead of time. I didn't do that, right?
Yes, and I'm so sorry. I didn't know you had a company. I didn't know somebody was in there. I'm sorry, babe. It's never gonna happen again. I promise.
Of course it's not going to happen again. It's none of your business about the company or not. Do you have things lying around in the house anywhere? hanging around somewhere.
What?
Do you have any of your things lying around somewhere in the house?
No, babe.
So that means you won't have any reason to come back, right?
Babe.
Get out.
Oh my god, babe. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I don't want to go. Please, baby. Please, I'm sorry. Baby, no.
Hey, stand up.
No, babes.
It's okay, stand
Please,
up.
I'm sorry.
Come on, okay.
It's never going to happen again. I promise. I will never. If it's because of what I saw in there, I promise I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything.
Stand up.
I'm
Come on.
sorry,
It's okay,
baby. I'm
alright?
sorry, please.
It's okay. It's okay. Wait. It's okay. Are you okay?
No, yes. Babe.
I just want you to leave and never come back again, okay?
Baby, please, I can't do without.
Shut up. Just get out. Never come back. Are we good?
No. Baby, you
Get
can't
out
do
of my
this
house.
to me. Baby, please.
Get out of my house and do not come back. Get out!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Babes.
Are you going to stop?
No, I'm sorry.
Huh?
No. Please, I'm sorry.
Get out.
Just give me one more chance. I promise I will
won't
never do it
say
again.
it again.
I didn't know you were with
Get
somebody
out.
in there. I'm sorry.
Get out.
I'm sorry. Babe, please. I'm
Get out.
sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Please, I'm sorry. Oh, baby, please. Oh.
Come here. Where is the gate man?
You sent someone an errand.
So that means you were outside when she walked in.
Yes. But I was on call when she came in, but I didn't know when she opened the door.
Well, you saw her walk in and did not feel the need to inform me that someone was coming into my house.
Oh God, this is not the first time she has been coming. I don't see it as a big deal.
Yeah, it's not. Is my car key with you?
Yes, it's me.
Yeah, can I have it?
This is it. I should give it to you.
Can I have my car keys?
Oh God, please. And if I give you this car key, I know what it means. You want to fire me. Oh God, please.
My hand is hanging.
Oh God, please.
Can I have my car keys?
Oh God, please. I have a wife. Oh. You have to be out with Kimmy, please. Yeah!
Can I have my car keys?
Oh God,
Can I have my car
oh God,
keys?
take your hand. Oh God.
Come here.
Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Oh God, it's by me, oh God!
So I'm begging for my car keys.
Oh God, please, oh God, take your car. Yeah! Take your car, oh God.
If I see
Oh,
you anywhere
oh God.
close to me again, you like, get out!
Oh God, that's all the
Get out!
all the beauty where you want beauty is not. Okay.
Get out.
God is in heaven.
Who was that?
How is that your business? Huh?
Okay. So, are we going to continue from where we stopped? Since there was an interruption.
I lost the mood. Get out.
Wait. What do you mean? We've not even done anything. You see, you're just going to be hanging? I don't understand.
Well, if you're tired of hanging, you get down. Get your clothes and get out.
Aha. Wow. That's fine.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. You're going to regret treating me like this.
Get your clothes and get out. Okay?
That's so low.
Oh yeah.
See it? Go wait small.
Why?
Police dey front. Make we just wait.
Police dey front.
Madam,
Police
dey
na the next bus stop where they go. Police dey for
That
front.
police police sabi worry. Make we just
Na the
wait.
next bus stop where they go. Na police go like to concern me.
Okay, make we go there. They say police dey front. Today they argue. Oh, yeah, stay there.
They talk rubbish for mouth. Madam, I better go front. I know better.
See, I no fit go front now.
Madam, I say they want
We supposed
wahala.
wait. We supposed wait.
They like wahala.
Maybe police just wait.
What you concern my police now? Shoo.
Hey, God.
I beg, go front. See.
Hello? Hello, neighbor. How far? You say what? My father. Okay. Jesus. Oh, God.
Madam, I beg, good news to stop.
My papa dey sick. I suppose go house now.
Mama, you no concern me. Shoo.
I won't go my house. My papa dey sick.
Madam, come back. Move this go next bus
Oh
stop.
yeah, come on, I dey go.
Go here. I dey go next bus stop. Tell the police
Okay,
to stop you. I do my business with that one.
Papa! Oh my God! Papa! Papa, wake up! Papa, wake up! Papa. Jesus! Oh my God! Papa! Papa! Hello? Obi, please, I need your help, please come to my house, please. My father has collapsed again, please, I need you to come here to help me. Let's take him to the hospital, please, help me, please, come quick, please, come. Papa, wake up. Oh my God, Papa. God. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes, let me sit here.
Carefully, head up.
Yes, let me sit here. Hey.
Sorry.
Oh.
Okay.
The birds are singing over my head.
Adi, you need to eat first before taking your drugs.
Before two kids start singing in my ears.
Alright.
Sickness is bad.
Sorry.
Mm.
Okay, Daddy. Sorry. Daddy, I need to feed you now so you can eat your food before taking the drugs, okay?
Thank you.
Let me just continue to feed you and take a medication. I need to go and pick up the bus from the street. Let me quickly feed you, then I will go.
Give me. I will do it myself.
No, let me feed you. Then when I'm done, I will go.
No, go. It is important to us. Go.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's my body that is dying, not my hands. Go. I see. I thank you for taking care of me always.
It's okay.
Maybe if not for you, I would have died by now.
It's okay. Okay. Let me rush. I'll be right back. Yes. The drugs are here and then the water is here. No so you can just... Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, just try and eat. I'm coming.
I'll eat small.
Okay. All right.
Good.
All right, I'm coming.
Hello? Yeah, I need a driver. As soon as possible. I want someone discreet and respectful and, of course, intelligent. Yeah, immediately. That works for me. So I'm hoping to hear from you soon, right? All right, thank you.
I'm very, very sorry.
You're very, very sorry.
I'm sorry for leaving the boss like that. I had an emergency.
Look, can you imagine the way you just opened your mouth and say, sorry? Do you know how much that bus is cost? Eh? You abandoned my bus on the street with passengers protesting, trying to vandalize my vehicle.
Sir, I'm sorry. I had an emergency. I had a call that my father collapsed at home, so I had to rush back to go and help.
Whether your father died or collapsed is none of my business. Did you hear me? You shouldn't have abandoned my bus like that with that passenger protesting. Yes, what if the guy put my bus on fire?
Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. It will
What
never
if I did not arrive as at the time I arrived?
Sir, it will never happen again.
Of course it will never happen again. It will never ever happen again because I am no longer giving, you're not going to drive that vehicle again. You are fired. Go and look for any other thing to do. You are a woman, go and look for either saloon work, look for tailoring, anything.
Sir,
Go and sell onions in the market.
Sir, please don't do this to me, sir. Please, I'm begging you.
Don't kneel down here. I will lie down on the floor. Me, I know how to kneel down. You see people like you don't have opportunity. And I gave you an opportunity to earn a living. Look at what you're doing. You abandoned my vehicle on the road.
It will never happen again.
Yes,
sir.
it will happen again. Trust me.
I'm sorry.
It will happen again.
Sir.
Ha! This one, you're early today. What is happening? How are you?
I'm okay.
What is the problem?
I lost the job.
Oh, I know. Ah! The leg of the lion is broken and the antelope has come to dance in his presence. I know.
Papa.
I am the cause of this, am I?
No, you are not. Please, don't talk like that. Please, I'm begging you. It's just my boss who is inconsiderate and selfish. Please, don't worry. I'm going to find another job. Don't let this worry you, please. You know you're not feeling well.
Darkness has come in the daytime. I know it.
I'll be okay. I'll look for another job.
Don't worry. You will get another job. I know. You see, if you drink water, you've promised your tummy food. With the way you're talking now, you're giving me hope because you have hope. You know the fowl scratch the ground, scratch the ground, scratch the ground. Look front, look back and say the one in front is bigger and better.
It's okay. Daddy,
I'm sorry.
it's okay, Daddy. It's okay. There's nothing to be sorry about. It's okay. Let me go in and prepare something for you to eat, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. God will bless you. Hey! It doesn't rain, it pours.
So just like that, he fired you. Just like that. Is there more to it? Because this is the first time. Did you tell him that your father needed medical attention urgently? I told him. I pleaded and pleaded, but he never paid any attention to it. Just want to thank you for helping out earlier. I don't know what I would have done if you didn't answer my call. You are family. You don't have to thank me. Although I was busy, but I had to rush down, hearing the way you sounded. Thank God he's fine now. Yes, he's recovering. So what are you going to do? Honestly, Obi, I don't know. I just need to find a way to get a new job. I hope that my savings don't run out till then. Anyways, I'll find a few agents. Anything that comes out, I'll let you know, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't thank me yet until we get results, okay? Thank you. You'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Hello? Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Oh, okay, no problem. I'm going to call him right away. No, it's not a problem at all. I mean, as long as the pay is decent, I'm good with that. Thank you so much, Obi. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, I'll keep you updated. Okay, bye.
Oh, you have another job?
Papa, not yet, but hopefully. Well, the agent says that there is an opening, so he's going to now send me some of the details and then we'll go from there.
You will get a good job.
Thank you, Papa.
God will bless you, my dear.
Thank you, Papa.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen, Papa. Sorry.
Okay.
Do you still want to drink some more water?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who are you?
My name is Isioma, sir, and I'm here for the job. Sir, I came to apply for the job.
How? I mean, are you aware of the job description?
Yes, I am aware, sir. The agent told me all about it, and I believe I am good for the job, sir.
Okay. I know I told him I needed someone as soon as possible and immediately, but not a lady. I wasn't expecting to send a lady. Are you aware that the job you're applying for is a driver?
Yes, I am aware, sir. That's my area of expertise, sir.
Okay. Well, I am sorry to have to break the bad news to you. I'm not going to employ you. I can't employ a lady. I can't imagine a lady driving me around. Like, it's funny. I'll sit at the back and she's driving me. It's not possible. I haven't done it before and I don't intend to start.
Sir, what's the fear? What's the problem, sir? I've had years of experience as a driver. In fact, when my father's business used to do really good, I started driving his car when I was 13. I can drive anything on wheels, sir. In fact, my last job, I used to drive for a pure water factory and I used to do daily supplies in their truck every time, sir.
You?
Yes, sir.
Well, unfortunately, there's only one department in life where I trust a lady to ride me, and it's not in this department.
Well, sir, there is no other way for me to show you that I can drive, sir. You can't just send me off like that. It will not be fair to send me off without actually testing to see that I can actually drive, sir. Look, in all my years of driving, I've not had any records of driving recklessly or having any accidents. Sir, I even brought my certificate with me. I am more than qualified for the job, sir. Good morning, sir. I hope you had a good night rest, sir. It's good to start off my day as your driver, sir. Please. Sorry, sir.
Hey babe, how are you? Yeah, I'm just out right now. But I'll call you very soon so that you can, come around the house. It's been a while I had you there. Yeah, I've missed you. All those crazy things that you do to me. Yeah, I have something on my hands right now. You know the level now. So once I get it off, I'll call you, okay? Bye.
Babe, why are you talking to another woman when I'm still here?
Are you stupid? It's a question. Are you stupid? What is wrong with you? I'm on the phone call. You're minding my phone call. Are you crazy? You know that I pay you? Huh? I pay you to please me, and you do it at my time, when I want it, how I want it, and where I want it. That's the way things work around here. Okay? You have no right to be asking me foolish questions like
At
this.
least you respect the fact that I'm still here before you invite another woman over. We should enjoy our time together.
It's not our time. It's my time. Okay? And it's when I want it and how I want it. The next time you try this rubbish with me, I'm going to drop you on the road anywhere I am. Are we clear on that? Are we clear on that?
Babe,
Shut up and massage my shoulders. Hey, baby. How are you? Have you shaved those things in between your legs? Huh? Have you shaved those things between your legs? You better shave them, okay? And make sure it's waxed. I want it to be smooth. Good girl. All right, I'll talk to you soon.
Sorry. Sorry. Please, Papa, sorry. Sorry.
Hey.
Your bunny hot.
Hey.
Oh my God, Papa, sorry. Sorry, Papa, sorry. Papa, see, listen. I promise you I'm going to save some money so I can find a better place to stay. This place is not spacious enough and you're not breathing properly. I'm sure this is why you're being sick constantly. Sorry, and I'm going to also make sure that you go to a better hospital. Sorry.
Yeah, my dear.
Sorry.
Nobody should pressure you into doing anything. Yeah. You've even outdone yourself so far. You spend all your money buying drugs for me. No.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay. I'm supposed to be taking care of you and that is what I am doing. And don't worry, this is my new boss. He's going to pay me very well because he's a rich guy. He will. And I'm sure we'll be able to buy the things that we deserve and need.
Don't worry, thank you.
Sorry.
God will bless you.
Sorry.
See, these girls are just plain stupid. The way they spend our money without pity. Like they spend it, they don't look back, they don't have pity on you. And they're only with you for that money. But they expect you to be with them. They don't have anything to offer, just their body. Huh? Why would I now pity you when I'm dealing with you? Huh? It's not possible now.
No, it's not possible.
It's not. I would use as I please and dump you when I am done.
These girls, I don't know what they think they are. I don't know who they think they actually are. They think us to be the fool. But in the actual sense, they're the bigger idiots.
Oh, they're so stupid. Very stupid.
In their mind, see this mug, I don't chop your money, I don't embezzle them. But they don't know that money we spend on them is a chicken change.
My brother.
Small money meant for small fun and enjoyment. They are just fun. Chops.
It's crazy. The other day I was driving out. I was taking this girl on, dinner date. And I answered the phone call. She was upset with me. I answered on that girl's phone call in her presence.
The audacity.
Just imagine. Huh? She was very lucky that she actually came to her senses on time. And she apologized. If not, I'd have dropped her on 10 Milan Bridge. She would trek home.
I trust you.
Very useless somebody.
Very useless. You are here for the money. Just stay for the money, have fun, enjoy it while it lasts, and take a bound.
My brother,
they live usually every day for our money. If not our money, they will own a house in Lekki. They can't survive.
Exactly my point. And they will be busy acting as if they love you. Love from where? Where did the love come from? All of a sudden, you're now in love because the boy has money, because the boy is fresh, because the boy is tall and handsome. I will not take nonsense from any of these girls. As far as I'm concerned, I am doctor's prescription. Tall, fair, and handsome. 6'3", rich, good health, nice skin, nice teeth. Everything is on point. And the other side, I shall be doing well again. So why would I be with you and be pitying you? Come on, get out of there. Mad human being.
But you have to be careful. STD is real.
That's why I use the best condom around.
Oh, I forgot. I'm
Sometimes
ambassador of condom.
So how is your new job going?
My dear, it's fine.
But see, that my boss, that man is annoying me. What happened? Babes, this man changes women like he's changing his clothes. He doesn't have any particular taste in women. For him, anything goes as long as you have a hole.
How is that even your business? How is that a problem to you? These girls are surviving.
See, my dear, the worst part of it all is he just treats them like trash. Says all manner of rubbish to them and just treats them anyhow, insults them, and they will just take it all, or they will swallow it all because of what? Money. You see those girls? Very useless, no sense of pride at all.
Isioma, I'd advise you mind your business. Do your work, get paid and go. Leave the man's personal life alone.
My dear, that is what I am doing. That is what I have been doing.
That's not what you're doing, obviously.
If not,
If not, what? You want to teach a rich man how to live his life? Which one? That dirty dog. Isioma. Babes, you need to be there to experience what this man is doing with these girls. He's a dirty dog. That one, even though, just mind your business. Get paid and leave.
That is what I'm doing. I'm minding my business.
Are you sure?
I'm just sitting there driving the car, minding my business. It's just like, I think it's just so annoying to watch. Just mind your business.
Babe,
I want you to leave my house.
Babe,
Put your hands off me.
Babe,
You go inside there, you pack your things, and you leave. I don't want to see you when I come out.
Babe, I didn't
Get your hands off me.
I didn't
Get in there,
I didn't
pack
mean
your things,
everything.
and get out. Ishoma,
Sir?
I don't want to see this girl
Babe,
here when
it's
I get
because
back.
I
You
love
understand?
you. I felt jealous. That's
Love
why I
you,
behaved that way. Babe.
Auntie, wait, hold on. I want to confirm something.
What?
Are you not a woman? Are you not a woman?
Summer, what? Will you not mind your business?
Your likes disgrace womanhood. What is wrong with you?
Would you not mind your business? See this fool. Oh. Do you know what it takes to be a classy babe? To be a big girl in Lekki? Men like Charles, stinkily rich men like Charles, are the ones that sponsor the lifestyle.
I can see that.
Yeah, of course you cannot relate. Do you think it's by that your miserable driver job that you are doing? I have bills to pay. And it's men like him that sponsor it, and I will not let him go just like that.
Then you just lost him. How about that?
I didn't lose him. I'm still hanging around. Do you know what it means to be Charles's wife? Do you know the bills it's going to settle?
Yet you could not bear to see him flirt with a random woman at the mall.
Yeah, that's part of the stunts. And until then, I'm still hanging around.
Wait, hold on. So just because of money, you will let him treat you like trash? Like, have you no self-respect left in you at all?
I'll continue to eat his poo and drink his urine so long as I continue to get what I want. And of course, you can't relate, low-life driver. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Okay, auntie. There is nothing I will not see in this Lagos. What?
Rollie on my wrist, champagne for my combo. I'm of them the chairs, them they call me fine, but I no go lie, I be certified player. Pocket full of money, I'm a big spender. Player, too much money, no time for wahala.
Back. You're taking too much time. Have the car. Go and tell her to come and join. Why are you delaying like this? Hurry.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Sorry to bother you. My boss would like to see you. It looks like he's interested in you. He would like to see you. But before we go, first things first, I want you to know that my boss, he's a womanizer. He treats women really, really badly. He doesn't have any respect for women. So when you go over there, make sure you turn him down. Have you heard me?
Is that your boss in the car?
Yes.
All right.
So if you see me, I did para. But in my life, I don't sing your drama. Yeah. I'm a certified player. Too much money, no time for wahala.
You see my move this car, okay?
Okay, sir.
So who is this pretty lady sitting in my car?
I'm Antonia. But you can call me Tonya.
Sonia. That's a beautiful name you have there. On a beautiful face.
Thank you. You don't look bad either.
Yeah, I know. But my pocket is even better looking than myself.
Okay?
So where are you going to this hot afternoon?
Home. I'm going home. I was actually waiting for my ride.
Right. Well, I can take you wherever you want to go to.
Alright? That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, I give good rides. Oh. Yeah. But on the contrary, why don't I invite you to my place? I mean, you're going home doing nothing. I'm doing nothing, so.
Right now?
Of course. We're both not doing anything.
Okay.
Okay? Great. I think we're going to do very good together.
You think so?
Sure. Ishama, move this car, okay? To the house. That'll be a very beautiful day. Get up, get up, get up.
I'm so
Get up.
sorry.
And I don't want to see you here again. If I see you here again, I will call my dog. Bingo will bite your leg.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Your left breast is gone. Whiskey will eat it.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Get out of here now.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Get out.
I'm sorry.
I don't see you again. Get out!
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It
Sorry,
won't happen
Julia.
again. Babe! I'm sorry.
Did I not warn you? Did I not warn you? No. Did I not warn you? I warned you, but you did not listen to me. You thought I was jealous of you or something, right? I warned you. Now look at you. Finished, used, and dumped. You've now been added to the list of all the girls in this city that he has used and dumped. Look, you are now tag number what? 35. Let me give you your tag number. How do you throw yourself on a man like that? How do you expect him to treat you nice? How do you expect him to treat
Ishama,
Sir.
there's something wrong with you. Did you not hear me when I told you to stop on the road and pick the girl up? Or wait, do you have a job somewhere else that you want to pick up?
Sir, with all due respect, are you not tired? Don't you have some kind of self-respect for yourself? Just been messing around with different girls around Lagos, sometimes more than one,
Like
2,
Akis.
3 girls a day. Sir,
My car keys.
sir.
I don't want to repeat myself. Give me my car keys. Can I have my car keys?
Sir.
I don't want to ever see you anywhere close to this compound again.
Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir. Sir, please. Please, sir. Please, sir. Sir, please. Sir, please.
Why are you following me around?
Sir, I am very
I thought I freed you off your job.
Sir, I am very sorry. Look, I realize that your personal life is none of my business, sir. I am very, very sorry. I will never do it again. I am sorry, sir. Please.
So you think because I employed you out of pity, you can talk to me anyhow? You can disrespect me, insult me?
Sir, please. It will never happen again. From now moving forward, I will be on my best behavior. I will just concentrate on my job and mind my business. It will never, ever happen again. I am sorry, sir. Please. I'm sorry.
Last time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
And the next time this happens, I will not warn you. Wash the car and get it ready.
Yes, sir.
okay?
Any errands?
No, it's okay.
All right. Have a good time, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Happy Sunday, sir.
Yeah, same to you. Happy Sunday. I've never seen you dressed like this.
Well, sir, yes, today is my friend's birthday.
Oh.
So I forgot my watch in the car, so I came to collect it so I can go there.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, please, where is the car key?
The car key?
Yes,
it's
sir.
right there.
Okay, sir. Thank you. It's not here, sir.
Oh yeah, check under. It should be in the cupboard down there, yeah.
Okay. So I don't think it's here. It's not here. I can't find it, sir.
Oh, yeah, I forgot it in my.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Let me just quickly get it.
Sure.
Thank
sure.
you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Have a nice day, huh?
Thank you, sir.
Actually, I don't want to drink something before.
No, I'm okay, sir. See you tomorrow, sir.
All right, sure.
All right.
Short is your man. It's a real wow.
Good evening, Daddy. Well done.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. I can see you're recovering.
Oh yes, the winds are visiting me well. I am getting better.
Well done, Papa.
My dear.
Come, you want to sit down?
You're looking so good today. What's going on?
Thank you.
Hey. Yes, so. We are getting closer to the land of the living now than the land of the dead.
Papa.
That's an improvement.
Well done.
Okay, I'll leave you people.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for walking.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Remember what we discussed. Do not risk losing your job.
I won't. Thank you.
Papa?
May the God bless your legs, eh?
Say amen. Bye.
What is she talking about? Have you lost your job again?
No, Papa, but I almost did.
What did you do this time?
I interfered in my boss's personal affair.
I know I raised you to be disciplined. But your own morals cannot be used to judge other people's morals. The world is not full of angels, so there are very bad people here. You have to be careful, eh?
Yes, yes, Papa. It won't happen again.
Okay. God bless you.
Well, Papa, I see that you're really coming around.
I told you the winds are visiting me well.
Okay, let me go in and then sort things out for you.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Thank you.
All right.
God bless you, my daughter.
Thank you, Papa.
Ew.
So the car is ready.
No. I need you to come upstairs. There's something I need you to do for me, okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, boss, you sent for me?
Yeah. I won't be going out today. Just want to relax at home today.
Okay, sir. Is there anything you want me to do for you?
No. Nothing.
Okay. Do you want me to call any of the girls to come over?
On the contrary, no. Not today.
Okay, sir. I'll be in the living room. If you need me for anything, just let me know, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Actually, why are you acting like a small girl?
Sir?
Why are you acting weird? I know what you have underneath your body.
What do you think you're doing? Do I look like one of your toys?
You slapped me. You slapped your boss. Is it because I pitied you and gave you a job that you think you can now slap me? Okay, I get it. My bad. I didn't get it. BDSM. You like BDSM, you like it rough. You like it when there's a little bit of spice and energy to it, don't you? I get it. So how much? Everything comes with a price.
Sir, I might be in desperate need of money to better my life and that of my father. But sorry to disappoint you, not in this way. Your money does not mean anything to me.
Money means something to everyone. More money, I guess. Let's say I add something. 500,000. How about that?
I don't blame you, sir. You think you can disrespect and lure me in with your money? Well, the next time you harass me, I'll report you to the authorities for sexual harassment.
Go ahead. I would pay my way through. Probably have you locked up. That's how the world rolls these days. Who the hell do you think you are? You can lose your job in a second, you know? 1 second and it's all gone.
Boss, I don't bother because I quit.
Now, who the hell do you think you are to quit? You see the kind of girls I move around with? Girls that you look up to. You want to be like them. Wear the kind of clothes they wear. Carry the kind of bags they carry. Hmm?
Well, this common driver just wants to mind her business and do her job.
Well, this common driver can lose this job. And you know you need it. You know you need the job. You know you need the money. That's why you begged the very first time. On your knees. The next time you go on your knees, something else will be in your mouth. It's quite big and heavy. Will taste nice too. You like it. I bet you will.
I am not going to let you or anyone harass me just because of a job. So I quit. But I'm not going to leave here until you pay me for this month's salary.
Get out. Yeah. Get out. Get out! Not you.
And that was how it happened. I know that I am supposed to mind my business to secure this job. But then again, am I expected to give in my body to secure the same job? God forbid.
I am so shocked. This is harassment. I need to arrest this man. Let me call my agent.
It's okay. Just don't worry about it. Let's just let
Nonsense.
him be. Just let him be.
He tried to take advantage of you.
Yes, he did. But let's just let him be. Please, I don't want any troubles. Please, and just try and lower your voice. I don't want my father to hear about this thing. It's going to make him worry to death. I beg, please.
So, what is the next line of action?
What else? Is to look for another job. It's like my village people are following me around or something because this job was a well-paying job. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Like, this whole thing is just crazy. Like, something bad is just following me around.
Don't say that. Don't say that to yourself. Don't hurt yourself. You are going to find another job.
You don't know that, Obi. You don't.
Nobody is pursuing you. Just calm down. You'll get another job. You'll be fine, okay? You're going to get another job. Okay?
I lost another job again.
Take it easy on yourself. You'll be fine.
Yes, fine. No, now you come down just that direction you're coming through now. Take it, then left turn by your right. You see me there. I'm standing just by the gate. Yes. Bella Gardens, yes. That's where I am now. Okay, I'm waiting.
Sorry. Sorry.
Good
Good
afternoon.
morning. Please, I don't know. I'm looking for a job. Any job at all, whether it's cleaning, driver job, anyone. I don't know if there's any opening around
Well,
here.
in this estate, as you can see, especially this one, Bella Gardens, it's still under construction. There's nothing like employment yet for now. Yeah, but in this estate, you can always get a job. It's easier. So maybe you can drop your number and then I
Okay.
give you a call once something comes up.
Okay, in
Yeah.
that case, just put your number here, please. Thank you.
It's fine. Okay, yeah.
Okay, please, what is the name?
Fine.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you.
Once anything comes up, I'll let you know. Yeah.
Okay, I'll also be calling from time to time. Okay,
Take
thank
care.
you.
Good luck, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Where are you now?
You know, you are the best daughter in the world.
Thank you, Papa.
I've always told you, you're one eye that the blind man uses to see.
Thank you, Papa.
But my dear, these days when you go out, you don't wear your uniform. You don't go to work. What is happening?
Well, my boss traveled out of the country. Yes, so that's why I've not been going over to his place to work. And then also I have some small things I do here and there on the streets.
Okay.
Yes, that's why I've been going out every day without my uniform as well.
May God grant him journey mercy.
Amen.
You have always been a hard-working girl. So may God guide you going out and coming in. May he bless you. You are a wonderful, wonderful young girl.
Thank you.
You are reading your Bible?
Yes, please.
Good.
Sorry.
Is this sickness? I hope I'll get over it.
So you'll be okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Thank God. I can use it as a distraction. Hello. I need you to look at this picture very well.
Who is she, sir?
I'll send this picture to your WhatsApp. Study the picture very well. I need you to look for her. Find out everything that you can find out about her. Where she stays, who she stays with, what she's doing at the moment.
Alright,
I
sir.
need to know every single thing about her. Okay?
Alright, sir.
And next time, don't be asking me foolish questions. Who is she? Did I call you here to question me or for me to tell you what to do for me? Why do people act like you're mad? Huh?
I'm ready to do your business, sir.
Anyway, she used to work here before you came. And I need her back here, basically. So the job I'm giving you now is to look for her. The same agent that sent you here is the person that sent her here. So you can ask him.
Alright, sir.
But you have to be smart about it. Don't just go and ask foolish questions.
Okay, sir.
I need results. What are you still doing studying? Get out.
I used to play the game, no strings, no ties. Living for the moment, no need for goodbyes.
Jesus! What are you doing here? What the hell are you doing here, you dirty dog? How did you find my house? What do you want? Have you come here to insult me? What are you doing here?
I'm not here for any of that, okay? I didn't come to cause trouble.
Listen, trouble or not, I don't care. I want you to turn around, use the same energy, and get the hell out of here.
Can you just calm down and let's talk?
Look, there is nothing for us to talk about. Nothing at all. Just get lost.
Hey, calm down, okay?
Get lost! Get out of here! Get the hell out of here right now.
I came to talk to you.
I don't
don't care. Get lost. I said get out of here. What are you doing here?
Isioma! Isioma! Who are you quarreling with?
Papa, it's okay. Please, let's go inside. Let's go inside, Papa.
Isioma!
Papa! Jesus! Papa! Get away from me! Get off him! Papa!
What's wrong with him?
Papa!
Look,
Get away from us!
we need to get to the hospital, okay?
We don't need your help. Do you hear me? We don't need your help. Get lost!
He's not listening to me at all. He's in pain.
We don't need your help, okay? Get off him. Just get lost.
Isioma, can you stop being stubborn?
We don't need your help.
Look, Isioma.
Leave us alone.
Isioma, stop being silly.
Leave us alone.
Let's go to the hospital, okay? Isioma, stop this. We need to get to the hospital.
Leave us alone.
Isioma, look, whatever happens between me and you is between me and you. Let's get to the hospital right now. Right away. Hold this. Come on, driver.
I can't stand. I can't stand. Where's my stick?
Hold this.
I can't stand.
What's the easy.
David! David! Isioma, who is this young David?
Papa, don't worry. Let's go. I'm sorry.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you, young man.
Glad to know that your father is doing better now. So, I want you to come back and work for me.
I'm no longer interested.
Why? You know you need this. Come on.
And what makes you think you know what I need?
Well, I think you need this to take care of your father. I know this.
Well, I found another job so you can keep it.
You know you're not serious with that.
What is it? No, what do you want from me? What is it? What do you want from me? Why are you here? You have another driver, so what do you want to use me for? What is it? Do you want to harass me further?
No, none of that. Come on now, huh?
You know what? You need to leave. Get out.
I'll see you around. Hi.
Yeah, why down?
I'm looking for Isioma. I don't think the door seems to be locked.
No, they're not around.
They're not around?
No.
What of the father?
I don't think so. They're not around.
Oh, thank you.
Take care. Yeah.
Isioma, hi. How are you? I just came to check on your father and check on you, but no one is around. I'm just sending this message to let you know I was around, and I really want you to consider forgiving me. I mean, you still don't sound nice when you talk to me. Just forgive me, okay? And let's start on a new slate. Can be friends at least or something. Please, I'm waiting for your response. Bye.
Hey!
You know, my daughter, we know when birds are singing and you listen very well. Have you ever understood why they're singing? I know. You see, that young man, I don't know why your heart is still hardened against him. Yeah, you should let go. I think by now he should have earned your forgiveness.
Papa, please. I don't want to talk about that guy. Please, let's just leave it alone.
It's okay. That is why I was asking you whether you are able to listen to birds sing and understand why they're singing. Because that young man paid my hospital bills and paid for my medications. He
Papa,
has tried.
I did not ask him to do any of that. I didn't. Papa, please don't make me angry.
Hold on, my daughter. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Is that not what they say?
Papa, please, just spare me that sermon. I'll be inside.
Hell. You see, if you have a very beautiful daughter, don't be in a hurry to convince her to change her mind. Take one step at a time. That's why the birds always sing. It is well. It is well. And rich as well. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Because of you, I'm alive today.
It's good. It's good. I will do it.
Good afternoon, Papa.
My beautiful daughter, welcome back. Take these things inside. Charles bought them for me.
Papa, I said, what is happening here? What is going on?
Well, it's a pleasure meeting you, young man.
Thank you, sir.
I hope to see you often,
Sure, I would come around from time to time.
Please, do come.
As much as I'm invited, I'll be here.
You are invited.
Thank you, sir.
Please, come.
Thank you, sir.
Hey!
I came to check on your father's health and I got him some provisions.
As what?
What do you mean?
See.
I would have thought.
Get these things and get the hell out of here.
I got this for you.
I am not interested. I said, take these things and get the hell out of here. Disappear, get out.
You didn't even open it to see it. Why are you being so harsh? Look, it's more than just this. I think I'm in love with you.
Wait, hold on. You love a woman. So what happens to the multitude of women out there? What happens to them?
That was a bad habit I picked up. I've destroyed it. I'm a changed man now. I'm not the same person I used to be.
Just like that?
Yes, it takes a little effect for change to occur, and you're that little effect.
Please, when you're done with all this talking, you pick up these things and disappear.
Hey.
I was
Hello.
hoping that you're going to come back to your senses. So why are you here?
It's my senses that brought me here. Look, I'm sorry for how I treated you in the past. I'm not a perfect man, but I've always known that one day I would need to settle down with someone. I would need to build a home I need a good woman in my life.
Well, that good woman is not here. Go out there, you know where to find
No,
her.
you are the good woman.
Well, you know that it takes a good man to deserve a good woman, right? But you see, in your case, that is not possible.
Why? Look, I'm a changed man. I'm not the same person you used to know. I promise you, I'm changed.
See, please. You cannot just come up here and lock me up with a used-up man who something that you've shared to all the girls in the city of Lagos. Look, I don't eat leftovers. I am not a dog.
It's fairly used. It wasn't even used that much. And I'm a man now. Come on.
Wait, excuse you? Wait, hold on. So because you are a man, you think you can just go about
uselessing yourself, robbing yourself in all manner of debt, and then you not just come and look for a perfect woman to be with you, right? Listen, I'm not that perfect woman, so please just leave here right now.
Isioma, look, I want to be that perfect man for you.
You need to leave this place right now.
Come on now.
Okay, now stay there if you want.
Hey.
Why are you this hard-hearted against that young man? Why don't you forgive him no matter what he has done?
Papa, you have asked me to forgive him. That I have done. But you see this one, it's not possible.
So what's impossible about it?
Papa, do you even know this guy? Do you know the number of women he has been with?
Oh, if it's for that one, they don't do body count for men. No. It's women they do body count for. And let me tell you, if a man has sowed wild oats, he will just end there. You can't use it to judge him. Forgive him.
See, Papa, look, I'm sure that his body count has gone out of body counts by now. He's possibly carrying some kind of disease.
You're just assuming, my daughter. Hey, what I'm saying is, I don't want you to lose a very good husband simply because you are thinking of things that may not really have happened. And then you now regret that you have lost him. That is what I'm saying. We can always forgive somebody's past. See, I tell you this. Think about it very well. It is a woman that changes a man, and you can change him. Please forgive him.
And he starts to suffer from one disease or another.
Never thought I'd find someone to make me regret.
Thank you.
But then you came along.
For what?
For coming around. I mean, it's not been easy. I must say you're very stubborn. You see, I really like you. No jokes. I just want you to give me some chance to express how I really feel towards you.
The floor is yours.
Who's the one I saw you with the other time?
Wow. You cannot even bear to see me with another guy. Yet you want me to be with you after everything I have witnessed around you. Aren't you so selfish? You men cannot take just a little bit of what you dish out, can you?
See, my honesty, I don't know what to say to convince you, but long story short, I like you a lot. And I didn't know how much I liked you till I almost lost you. Like, I'm a changed man. And I want to do something more serious with you.
How serious?
I want to do life with you. I know that you're the perfect woman for me. And I also know that I'm not the perfect man for you. But give me a chance. Let me prove to you that I'm a changed person.
But I don't really trust you.
I know. I would not even trust myself. All I'm asking for is time. Time would enable me to clear whatever doubts you have of me. All I just want is time.
Okay, but on one condition.
Yeah, what is it? Anything?
that we're not going to be doing anything together until we're married.
Sure. Deal, yes.
Well, that also means you're not going to be seeing other women because we are not going to be in an open relationship.
Yes.
So wait, how do you plan on achieving that? Because I know that you are not used to that kind of life.
Look, it's a habit that I built by myself. I can equally destroy it.
That easy?
Truth be told, it's not going to be easy. But I'll try my best. I will try because I really want to be with you. And I want you to also help me. Yes. Is that a yes? Can I get a hug? That's so funny. I'm not really good at that.
You.
I don't know how they do these things, you know.
But then they keep doing it over and over and over again.
Yeah. Yeah, what is it?
Okay, I gave you the she outside they wait for you.
She.
Yes, sir.
I didn't invite any she. Anyway, look, I'm busy. And I'm going to be busy for a very, very long time. So tell the person that I'm not... You know what, as a matter of fact, any of these girls that come here again, from now henceforth, tell them I do not want to see them.
Okay, sir.
I don't want any of them crossing that gate unless you don't like your job. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You can go. Tell her what? Can you imagine? God.
Oh, goodness.
Why are you laughing? What's up?
You know, I think you're going to win the world record for having the most women who are after you.
Yes. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Look, no. Those women are just after my money. They don't care about me.
Well, but you're a good-looking man, I must confess, so there's that too.
Someone is noticing.
Oh my God, hush, stop. I mean, you know, even a blind man can see that.
And a woman with her two beautiful eyes. Uh-huh. Well, one thing I know for sure is that these women, they don't care about me. They've never cared about me. All they care about my money. I give it to them, and I take what they have to offer, which is, that's all. That was in the past.
Good.
No, hey, that was that was a long time ago. That was in the past.
Well,
What is it?
I guess right now I think it's time for me to swallow my pride and vomit it out.
What is it?
Thank you for helping my father that day. I mean, it was all we needed the most. I mean, because his pains were really getting worse and we didn't know what else to do. And the money I had at that time was barely enough for us to feed. So, thank you. Honestly, thank you.
You're welcome. Look, I totally understand, okay?
I was really angry at you at that point, that I was so blind to notice how kind you are.
Rightfully so. What was that for?
Or you don't want the kiss?
Of course I want the kiss. seeing the other side of me. I really struck a gold in you.
And you are priceless.
I love you.
I love you too.
So what are we watching today? Let
Let's
me
see.
search for how to get your wife pregnant.
Shush, don't stop it. You're so silly.
I want to know the style that we will do that will give you twins.
Oh my God.
It's for the kids.
Stop it.
Don't you want to
Shut
have
up.
twins
Just
once and for
shut
all?
up.
Never thought I'd find someone to make me regret. But then you came along like a storm through the night. Turned my world around, made wrong feel right. I see it in your eyes, the truth I can't deny. You shown me a love that money can't buy. I'm a changed man, no more running wild. Your love has tamed the fire, softened my style. You broke through